Here you go. Let's play a fidget trading game. I'll start first. Wow, an Apple MacBook? Avery obviously wants it very badly. But what can she give for it? I'll give my chocolate. Okay? Nope, I need more. Okay. Well, how about these? The administrator keeps asking for more. But Avery still has some surprises. I'll give you this. Huh? A pillow? Not any pillow. It's Avery's snack stash. Wow! So many snacks! And looks like the administrator is finally satisfied. Yay! Let's open it! Huh? The box is empty! And it says snacks are not allowed. Avery was fooled! Now all her food is taken. But she has good friends. She can ask them to bring her snacks. Never again! That's it! I am now single forever! Forever! Oh, hey! You! Wait! No food is allowed in the hospital! What have you got there? Oh, poor Anthony! No food allowed! How many times? Why does no one ever listen to me? Hey, you! Stop, stop! Oh, flowers! Seems like she's assuming that these flowers are for her. No. These are not for you. These are for a patient. Yeah, fine. This side. Go! Oh, and she's upset. Again! Someone bring this poor woman some flowers to cheer her up. Oh, look! Anthony's back. He's got some lovely flowers with him. No food is allowed at the hospital. Definitely no food with me. Don't worry. And what about these? No, Anthony! Are you in trouble? No, wait! Here, this one's for you. For me? Oh, Anthony, you're such a gentleman. Oh, but perhaps it's time for you to hurry along. Hey, Avery! I've got you a little surprise. What? Flowers? Well, not just flowers. Look inside. Oh my God! Sweets! Wicked! These are the best flowers! Thanks, pal! Told you! I'm gonna take all of these to Avery to cheer her up. Wait, no junk food allowed? Oh no, what am I going to do? Okay, hang on. What do I have in this bag? Oh, I know! Looks like this makeup bag is just the perfect size. Right, I'm ready. Let's go. There, it's all perfect now. Excuse me. No food is allowed in the hospital. Oh, no, but I don't have any. Well, then you wouldn't mind me checking your bag. Well… Oh, look! Makeup bag. Heavy? No, it's makeup. Don't touch that. Uh-oh. Busted! Ha! I knew it! All of these sweets! Wait. What's this? Looks like she's found Sophia's eyeshadow palette. These are made out of sweets. What? No! What are you doing? I'll show it to you. No! Uh-oh, this is real eyeshadow. Whoopsie. Give that back to me. How dare you? Oh, wait. This gives me an idea. Ah, my eyeshadow! No, wait, I'm sorry. Why won't it stand straight? There. Oh, look, it's Sophia. Wait. You didn't bring any more sweets, did ya? No. Say, what's in your hands? That's my new eyeshadow palette. I just bought it. Okay, let me check. What? Are you crazy? After what you've done to my last one? Don't you remember what happened? Have you no shame? Okay, I'm sorry. Stop it! Breathe! Okay, just go through. Just go. Thanks. Okay, no one's heard that. Hey, bestie! Look what I brought you! What? Makeup? But I've got makeup! Look! No, wait, you silly! Look! Yum! Ace! Edible makeup! Tastes so good! Wait, what are you doing? Sorry, I think this looks really good on me. Don't you think? Yeah, it looks cool! Let's take a selfie together, bestie! Smile! Achoo! Yikes! Charlotte caught a cold, and now she has to deal with a runny nose. Achoo! Oh no! Her toilet paper just went under the neighbor's bed. Why does this keep happening? Wait, I know. I'm gonna make something so that I'll always have paper with me. Just gotta use something to form a foundation. This will do. And now, let's just take this metal frame. Perfect. Still missing something. Oh yeah, the essential, toilet paper. It's almost done. I just need to wrap it around my head. Wow, what a smart idea. This way Charlotte will never lose her toilet paper, no matter how much she sneezes. This is so convenient. Looks like the rich girl is having a hard time with her cold, but the nurse is always there to help her. Oh, I'm so sick. This nose. I need a tissue. Just a minute. Wait, what? We're already out. Hold on. Use this. What? You sure? Hey, I know. Looks like the nurse just got a brilliant idea. She made diapers for Madison's nose out of money. Wow, it works. So smart. I'm so hungry. Oh, food. Food is here. Come on, take your bowl. What? Ew, what is this? No, I can't eat this. Whatever, then you get nothing. Oh, don't leave. Look, I have $1. Can I get something nice for this? For $1? Well, I guess I can give you this. No one needs it anyway. Huh? Just a cucumber and a steamed sausage. But wait, I think I know what to do. Charlotte is cutting off the ends of the cucumber. What is she planning to do? Now she emptied the inside of it. I can see you. And for the last part, just put the sausage inside the cucumber. And now what's left to do is cut it into small pieces. Now it looks like sushi. Charlotte is using pencils as chopsticks. Wow, she's like a real sushi chef. Yay! Tastes so good! What? What is this? You don't like it? Here, take some money and make something good. Okay, hold on. The cook is going to prepare sushi for Madison. She is using golden rice and money instead of seaweed. She even lets Madison choose other ingredients. Oh, I want some diamonds. And some Skittles. And Snickers, too. Well, this looks interesting. Madison is really excited, but the cook is struggling to roll everything together. But Madison is cheering her with her pom-poms made of money. This is surely good cheerleading. God, I'm so hungry. Come on, you can do it. Go, go, go! Finally, voila! Fancy golden sushi with diamonds. Wow, this looks so good. I'm so excited. Let's try it. Yummy! Charlotte is sleeping like an angel. I don't like it. While her neighbor is enjoying some chocolate, but he's a picky eater. Yuck. Huh? What is this? Oh, wow, it's chocolate. Smells so fruity. This is delicious. Hey, can I get another one? Huh? Ew, what happened to your face? Oh no, this is horrible. But why did this happen? Hey, give me the candy box. Show it to me. What? Chocolate with berries? I'm allergic to berries. Hey, she is going to use cabbage leaves as a face mask. Oh dear. I hope that this worked. Let's see. Yes, I look pretty again. Bravo! Huh? A cabbage? Yuck! Nurse, my back really hurts. Don't worry, I have just the perfect medicine for you. Here, take some. Okay. Tastes weird. This should work. What? Oh no! Hey, what is it? Madison's face just got covered in a rash. Poor Madison. Maybe she was allergic to the medicine. Fix this! Now! Wait a minute. Gold? I know. Give me your gold chains. What? Looks like the nurse got an idea for how to fix Madison's face. Okay, I'll be right back. She just needs some gold. My beautiful face! I brought you a gold face mask. This will definitely help. And some gold coins for your eyelids. Now just relax. Relax. Let's see if it worked, or else Madison will get really mad. Oh, wow! Yes! Oh, my pretty face! La 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 la!
Stop, stop, stop! Are you carrying any food?
No, no food.
And what's that?
Where?
That! Snacks! You know they're not allowed here! Give me that!
Hey, stop! You are so rough! Don't take it from me!
Let's see why you're carrying this bear. Is more food hidden inside?
No, not my bear!
Whoops!
Ah! No!
I'm so sorry. It was a mistake. You can go, please. Oh, dear.
My baby bear!
Oh, wait. I know.
I can use it!
Oh, dear. Maybe I need to drink some herbal tea or something.
Hello again, sir.
Do you have food this time?
No food, no snacks, nothing.
Let me look at that.
How dare you! Don't you remember what you did to him last time? My poor bear!
I don't want to talk about that. Okay, go. Please, go. Everybody makes mistakes.
What the admin didn't think of was that Madison realized she could use the broken bear to sneak in all that candy. Joshua, no food is allowed here. Hide it somewhere. Come with me. Yes, slowly. I will lead you to the Seeing the patient with bandages on his eyes made Joshua think of an idea for sneaking gummies in. Here comes Joshua.
Whoa! Stop right there, boy. What's wrong with you? I have a problem with my eyes, sir. You don't want to see it. I don't believe you. Give me what you have there. Now. It's an eye! OMG, OMG, OMG! Disgusting! Take it! Take it! I told you, sir!
Oh my! Madison fainted!
Go, go, go! Ew! Oh, lady!
Hey, Chloe! Whoa!
Want to see something cool?
Boo! Ah! I can't look!
I'm joking! Look!
Huh?
It's actually gummy eyeballs! I brought plenty of them. See?
Oh, wow! Give me, please! Good eye!
Act like we're not here. Maybe he won't see us. Hey, stop! You know that no food is allowed here. What are you carrying there? Nothing, sir. Nothing. Hey, listen, I have an idea. Cool, bro. Let's do that. Oh, my back! Whoa, are you okay?
While Jack is acting like he's hurt, Joshua came up with an idea to sneak these gummies in using some tape he found.
Oh, it's so bad. And are you okay? Oh, my head! Do you feel better? Oh, no, my back! Joshua already peeled the gummies off the admin's back and ran to Chloe. Oh, I feel better already. I'll be going now. Not so fast, young man. Let me scan you.
What the admin didn't know is that Jack has no snacks.
Told ya. Bye! Strange day.